Welcome to sunny South Florida on our Talking Horses coverage of NTRA's 2024 Eclipse Awards at the Breakers Resort in West Palm Beach. I am Dr. Gregory Barroza, also known as Horse Doc, and this broadcast is part of our Was Up Doc Media Productions. This is Thoroughbred Racing's industry's recognition of the highest honors earned in multiple categories by outstanding individual horses and their human connections from the previous 2023 year of competition. Only the best of the best make it into the final round of competition, and the winners are announced at tonight's Gala Awards dinner. A complete list of all finalists and winners is available on the NTRA website. We will then next shift gears to cover the $3 million Pegasus World Cup, run at beautiful Gulfstream Park Racetrack. We're here with Gina Antonucci. She's the first woman to win a Triple Crown race as a trainer, and her horse Archangelo was celebrated with an Eclipse Award last night, 3-year-old champion, and you were up in the air and everyone was cheering and it was amazing. So it must have been like an amazingly rewarding experience.
Absolutely. It's so proud of the horse and the team and everyone that made it happen. John for believing in the team and letting us see it all the way through, and so it's just an amazing experience and so grateful for the opportunity and the success.
And as great as that was, I'm sure, being the consummate trainer you are, you're turning the page and you're looking for the next big gem, huh?
This industry doesn't allow you to rest on your laurels, so we are absolutely, hard at it every day.
Okay, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
We are next going to watch the live $3 million Pegasus Cup Championship race for older horses, as called by Gulfstream's track announcer Peter Aiello. A list of the 12 best horses, riders, trainers, and owners competing in that race can be found on the Gulfstream Racing website. Bob Baffert's 2023 Preakness winner, American Treasure, was the favorite odds-on. However, any outcome is possible in a race yet to be run.
Here's Il Miraculo. Hoist the goal. Ruby walking forward in the St. Elias green colors. Here's Trademark. From the Clark Handicap in Churchill, 2 left to load, waiting for Senor Buscador. And from the outside, Skippy Longstocking.
They're off in the 8th running of the Pegasus World Cup. It was a beautiful beginning, several riding for the early lead, including National Treasure. Down at the inside, Hoist the Gold tries to go with him, and these two flat fly. Capleone was intent on getting over on Skippy Longstocking. He had to use some speed to do it, but he's third now. Trademark comes away fourth for Fernando de la Cruz, followed by First Mission, then Il Miraculo. A gap of 2.5 to Grand Aspen, who's racing ahead of the team of Nimitz Class and O'Connor. O'Connor's dropped better than 10 lengths off this big-time early battle. It's a gap of 2.5 to Dynamic One, then Senor Buscador. He has to love life. He's racing 11th, but he's a beneficiary of a big-time pace battle, and the trailer is Croupy. They whistle the quarter, 23-1 as they head down the backstretch. Hoist the Gold has won the tussle early with National Treasure, and he's 5 furlongs from home and 2 on top. National Treasure is now second. Up in the center, it's Il Miraculo. Down at the inside goes Trademark. Working between them is First Mission. Underway from mid-flight, O'Connor's drawing closer in the orange colors. He's 2 better than Grand Aspen. Dropping back is Skippy Longstocking. Going by him is now moving up between horses Senor Buscador. He's had a lot of pace ahead of him. He's picking off horses one by one as they have less than 3 furlongs to go. Hoist the Gold has the lead. National Treasure takes another crack at him at the 5/16. They're still 3 better than O'Connor. Senor Buscador continues to run home. He ponders an inside lane with a 1/4 mile left to go. Still plenty of hopes here in the Pegasus World Cup. National Treasure has come away with the lead. Senor Buscador, he's still closing down the center. There's an 1/8 mile to go, and National Treasure with work to do. Senor Buscador takes aim on the outside. They come past the 8th pole. On the inside, it's still National Treasure holding on. Down the center, Senor Buscador, he's running out of time. National Treasure would not be denied. National Treasure wins the Pegasus World Cup. Senor Buscador just ran out of racetrack. Third is Troopy in 150-2.
him in prep because he just rode the horse excellent. He got plenty of instructions today, and at the end of when we finally gave him a leg up, I said, just get him out of the gate, put him in the race. And he was able to give him a breather down the backside. We knew it was going to be a hot pace, and he'd stepped up. He'd been running against good horses, so we knew how good he was.
Talk a little bit about when they hit the far turn. You could see Senior Buscador moving, and you were kind of assuming command. What were your thoughts and what Flavien had left in the tank?
Well, what I could see, he was moving, but he was still struggling to move, from what I could see. So really, when they turned for home, I kind of was pretty comfortable the whole way through the stretch. I got a little nervous at the end there when they still were coming, but he's what a gutty little horse. That's the way he wants to run like that, and he really shows up.
The guys in this partnership, they have this great attitude about taking a good horse and making him a winner. And Baffert's done a wonderful job with this horse, and does a wonderful job with all the horses. And I'm just glad that I'm a part of this partnership.
I'm really excited. What he's shown over the last couple of races, the last 2 races, is a lot of resilience under pressure. He could have folded in the Breeders' Cup, made it the wire, total finish, and he did the same thing here. He showed that resilience, and then he was able to beat off all comers. I'm really excited about it.
It's tough to double up. The Breeders' Cup was usually losing just, by that much to a horse of the year now, and to do it again, back-to-back huge performances. Where does he go from here? The sky the limit?
Well, we'll leave that up to Bob and Tom and the connections, and I just get him on the road and get him healthy and get him to the race, and hopefully gets the performances he does.
How about the distance today? 9 furlongs. It was maybe the one hurdle you haven't jumped over yet?
Yeah, I wasn't really concerned about the distance.
We're here with James Barnes, who trained National Treasure. Amazing job.
Assistant trainer, Bob Baffert.
Assistant trainer. But
Yeah,
you travel with that horse and most of the horses. You're part of the family.
Absolutely, and I give all the credit to Bob. He had the horse ready. It's tough, these races. You really have to plan ahead and figure out their work schedule, and we stepped up, worked him from the gate, and really had this horse ready for this race today.
Question: is there any race in the future now, or is this?
That's up to Bob and the connections.
So
we're just going to go home and enjoy it right now,
right?
And then get back to work on Monday, Tuesday, and figure out from there where we're going.
Well, you've had a wonderful weekend. We wish you the best.
Well, thank you very much.
In addition to the $3 million Pegasus Cup Championship race, there was a glamorous party at Gulfstream Park's adjoining Carousel Club. Many notable South Florida celebrities and invited guests attended the unique happening that accompanied the day's races and went on into the night. A DJ and live entertainment, beverages, and many culinary treats were provided. A long list of attendees made their way down the Carousel Club's blue carpet, which created an awards extravaganza atmosphere resembling the Emmys. The outfits worn by the media-savvy guests were exceptionally unique and attractive. However, the stars of the entire day and weekend were the horses competing in our country's most noteworthy graded stakes competition for older horses. Bob Baffert's odd-on favorite, winner, American Treasure, ridden by Flavien Prat, had to fight off several determined speedsters such as Hoist the Gold, ridden by Johnny Velazquez, and in the final stretch, Senor Buscador, ridden to a close second by Junior Alvarado.